Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. This is another episode of today's video. In this video, we shall be talking about the CPen. It has been officially announced by the CPen core team, the release of the token smart contract address, and this is it on the screen. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video and also in the comment section. I'm going to pin it there so that you click and copy it while you go to your wallet and you add it. If you find it difficult to copy it, probably because you are using a mobile version, then I will drop my WhatsApp group link or my WhatsApp channel link in the description of this video. You join the WhatsApp because already I have dropped the contract address there. It will be easy for you to copy, or if you wish to join my Telegram community group, I've also dropped it there. Okay, when you go in there, it will be easy for you to copy. In this channel, this is the last video that I dropped about the CPen. Let me highlight it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so if you made use of MetaMask, if you submitted to CPen your MetaMask or your Trust wallet address to receive your token, then you will need to watch this particular video so that you understand and know how to add the CPen to your MetaMask or to your Trust wallet. If you did not do it, once your token is allocated to you, once it's distributed, you are not going to see it unless you add the contract address of the CPen. Now, to point out something clear, in this video, that is this highlighted one, I talked about the contract address and I made it clear that the contract address has not been released. That was at the time of creating this last video, the one highlighted on the screen. Okay, so as at the time I'm creating this particular video, the contract address has been released, and that is why I am notifying you now. Okay, you can go to the CPen Twitter handle if you are following them, or their Telegram to copy it as well. After dropping the last video, I got a comment from a follower, and he asked if he should change the wallet address that he has linked to his CPen mining app. And I'm here to answer that question. You don't need to do that. This is not the right time for you to do that. Connection or linking of wallet address ended yesterday, being 30th of March. Okay, so you doing that, you are putting yourself at risk. You don't need to change your wallet address. Leave it the way it is. After the distribution of the token is done, if you made use of your Bitmart and you want to check to know what has been given to you, or to check to know whether yours have dropped in your wallet or not, now this is what you are going to do. You come over to this section where we have the asset. You click on that asset, then you make sure that you click on spot. All right, and once you click on spot, it will appear in this format. So you go over to the search button, which is this very one. All right, then you type in CPen. All right, once you type in CPen, this is it displayed on the screen. Okay, because we have searched for it using this search bar. You tap on it, then you are going to see the amount that has been allocated to you. So that is how you can check your own allocation once the distribution is done. The next thing I will show you in this video is how you can deposit in the Bitmart. For those who made use of Trust Wallet and MetaMask, you are not going to be trading in the Trust Wallet or in the MetaMask. You have to send it to a centralized exchange, which is Bitmart. So, but before I move into that, there is something I want to let you know. For the security of your account, you will need to add your phone number and your email address to your Bitmart exchange. Okay, now in order to do this, you will have to come over to this section. All right, you click on that avatar and go over to this section, that is this section. Then you will see where we have the phone number and the email address. Make sure that you link your phone number and also your email address. This is what we call the two-factor authentication, so that whenever you are sending anything out of this wallet, you have to receive a confirmation code in your email, and at the same time receive another confirmation code in your phone number through SMS. Okay, this is to enhance and to boost your system, your app security, so that someone else will not tamper with your assets. Now, let me show you how you can deposit your CPen into your Bitmart exchange. Come over and click on the deposit section. You tap on deposit, then using the search bar, you type for CPen. Already I have typed for it, so you click on it, then it will load up. Now this is your receiving address. Okay, this is my own receiving address, so you go ahead and hit on the copy button to copy this address. For those who made use of the MetaMask, you come over to your MetaMask, then you hit on the CPen. Okay, you make sure that you have added it using your contract address. Like I said before, if you don't know how to add it, you watch the last video that I dropped on how to add the contract address. Then you click on the CPen. Then here we have the send button. We have several buttons here. You click on the send. Then on this section, you are going to paste that address which you got from your Bitmart. That is your Bitmart CPen wallet address. You paste it here. Okay, now you go ahead and hit on this next button. Sorry, that is this button. Then once you hit on it, here you are going to input the amount of CPen that you want to send. All right, you're going to type it here. All right, any amount you want to send, you can just type it here. If you want to send all of them at a go, just hit on the use max section, after which you come over here and hit on next button, and the amount that you have input here to send, it will go straight into your Bitmart exchange. Now, before doing this, please, you make sure that you have some amount of BNB that we're going to use as gas fee. All right, make sure you have BNB. If you do not have BNB in your wallet, it is not going to go successfully. Yes, the transaction will not go successfully. All right. Regarding the amount of BNB, just make sure you get at least $1. I am not sure the exact amount, but make sure you have at least $1 to $2 worth of BNB. It may not be up to $1, but just make sure you have something therein. Okay, now let us move over to Trust Wallet. For those who made use of Trust Wallet, in your Trust Wallet, you locate where you have the CPen. Here is the CPen here. Okay, so you click on it. Then here you are going to hit on the send button. Click on this send button, then input the wallet address here. All right, once you input the wallet address at the section of the receiving address, before the next button here, you're going to input the amount. So input the amount of the CPen that you want to send. If you want to send all of them, you just go ahead and hit on the max button, after which you hit on next. All right, once you hit on next, then you are going to see a page where you are going to execute the transaction by either clicking on the send button or on the OK button. So that is how you can transfer your CPen from your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask to your Bitmart, so that you can exchange it to USDT in your Bitmart exchange. People have asked me questions about my predicted price for the CPen. Well, I do not have any predicted price, but then there are some persons who have been given their predictions. Okay, just as you can see on the screen, the one on the white says 11,385 CPen will give you $34, which means that the listing price should be around 0.003. That is, if what we see on the screen here on the white Bitmart screenshot is correct. Now another person here is saying that the price is ranging from 0.016 to you can see it on the screen. Well, these are speculations, these are predictions, so I really do not have anything to say about the exact price or the listing price of the CPen. Okay, so guys, this is what I wish to share with you in this video. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do well to support this channel. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I drop updates like this, you get notified and you won't miss out in any updates. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to like this video. I hope to see you in my next video.